Hey guys, it's Cody from the New England Dukes. Just doing another unboxing video. Today we're unboxing the official Bo Duke belt buckle from John Schneider Studios. Shout out to Luke for hooking me up with this awesome belt buckle. And here we go. Comes in this awesome little orange box, encased. And each belt buckle is numbered, actually. This is the exact belt buckle that Bo Duke wore on the Dukes of Hazzard. And this is, let's see here, number 2. This is the number 2 belt buckle. 0102. It's the number 2 belt buckle. Not sure how many they made or came out with, but it is a limited edition item, and you sure need this, because this is an awesome. This is perfect. It's exactly the same. They did a perfect job. Unbelievable. And it goes perfect next to my Luke Duke belt buckle. So if you have either or, now you have them together. Bo and Luke belt buckle. Bo Duke's belt buckle available at johnschneider.com or johnschneiderstudios.com. So if you check it out today, this is an awesome item. All right, guys, take it easy.